Express yourself. Power up your English with action verbs for hobbies. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're diving into a fun and personal topic: our hobbies. More specifically, we're going to learn how to use action verbs to describe our hobbies, making our conversations more lively and engaging. Are you ready? Let's get started. Action verbs, as the name suggests, are verbs that express action. In the context of hobbies, these verbs describe what we do. Whether you're painting, reading, hiking, or baking, each hobby is associated with a specific action verb. Using these verbs not only helps us communicate effectively, but also paints a vivid picture of our hobbies to the listener. Here are some examples of common action verbs related to hobbies. Play. We use this verb for many sports and games. For example, I play soccer, or I play chess. Read. This is for anyone who enjoys books. You might say, I read novels in my spare time. Cook or bake. For all the food lovers out there, you can say, I love to cook Italian food, or I bake cookies for my family. Collect. If you have a collection of items like stamps, coins, or vinyl records, you'd say, I collect vinyl records. Remember, the above examples are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless action verbs out there. Now, let's incorporate these action verbs into full sentences. After stating your hobby, try to follow it up with additional information. This will make the conversation more interesting. For instance, instead of just saying, I play soccer, you could say, I play soccer every weekend with my friends at the local park. Instead of, I read novels, try, I read historical novels before bed to unwind from my day. If your hobby is cooking, don't just say, I love to cook. Instead, try, I love to cook Chinese cuisine, especially Szechuan dishes. If you collect something, don't stop at, I collect vinyl records. Go further and say, I collect vintage vinyl records. My oldest one dates back to the 1960s. By using action verbs and adding more details, we make our conversations more dynamic and engaging. So there you have it, learners. The next time you discuss your hobbies, don't forget to power up your English with action verbs. They add depth, context, and interest to your conversations, making them truly engaging. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue our journey into conversational English. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement in no time. Happy learning!